What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a galvanized raised garden bed setup. Check this thing out, everybody. So what this is a metal raised garden bed, and I do already have it put together. It all came in this little box right here. By the way, it did pour down rain on me while I was out doing this, but I was able to get it together because you can get it together so fast. And I'm just going to show you exactly how it came right here. So it was all flat in this box with a little bit of hardware, and here's all of the pieces that came with it. And the instructions are so easy to follow. They had labeled each one of these panels, so you can look right here, labeled A there, and I think it's like C on these and B on these. So everything is labeled, and all it is a screw and a nut. With the corners, you put this corner piece on, and then it goes like the nut and screw. The screw will go through here and go through this cap, and it holds it all together. And the center pieces are these center pieces right here with the nut and screw through. All I used was my drill, my Makita drill here, and a little crescent wrench, adjustable wrench right here. There was some bent during shipping, and I was able to bend them out. That's the great thing about having a product like this that's like flexible like this. You can kind of like bend it back if it gets bent. But let me just kind of like go over the overall specs of this thing. Number one, it's galvanized, so it's not going to rust, and it looks great. Doesn't just look awesome. Doesn't have soil in it yet, but you know what? I have bags of soil right here ready to go. So what this is, it's 12 feet. I have the 12 feet by 4 foot, and it's 1 foot in depth here. So what I'm going to do is put down a little bit of weed berry, and then I'm going to put down some like leaves and some soil and things like that and build it up, and then get ready for the spring for when we get ready to start planting our like vegetables and flowers and whatever, because it's sectioned off. 3 sections right here to this thing. And you can actually add a greenhouse to this thing. So yeah, let me go ahead and show y'all. Oh yeah, check this out. So there's also some plant stakes that were free with this for like whether it's roses or tomatoes or something like that, and you will stake it down with these little stakes. So see this little gap right here? You're just going to run that down like that, and it gets staked down like that. I will put those in before I put the soil in. So let me go ahead and get the soil ready and get this thing loaded down, and then I'll come back and show y'all the final results of that. So let's do that. Okay, there it is, everybody. Just put all of the soil in there. So what I decided to do was put more like leaves and sticks and have more decomposing on the bottom, and this is topsoil and a mix of like some potting soil or something like that. So you can see how it's done right here. Now I'm not going to plant in here for another month, so that's going to give that soil time to get moisture in it and just kind of like decompose a lot of these sticks. It's turned out looking really good at a very affordable price. I highly recommend this, you know, this metal galvanized raised garden setup right here. Super easy, very affordable. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the galvanized raised garden bed. See y'all in the next video.